First
Captain
of all, who the frick
Marvel.
is Joker, and why do you want me to sound like him?
Joker. Team, everybody get a sheriff. Everybody get a sheriff.
Who the frick is Joker?
Everyone get a sheriff. I swear it's a frick. What's Batman?
Frickin' Batman. It's so like 2008. Who the frick
He's
wanted
so
Batman?
like Joker, I
Lame.
swear. If he just said, do you know where I get these scars? And like,
I
it
don't know
will
who the frick
sound like
Joker
him.
is, though. He sounds like a frickin' Joker.
Does anyone else have a mic that'd be willing to help me with communications?
You want me
No.
serious? You got it.
Oh, it's the guy with green hair. I know who that is.
Can you just figure out what Joker is?
Kill them.
Society.
Society.
Well, I don't know any frickin' lines, so you have to frickin' help
If
me.
you're a real Batman fan, you would know.
I do know, but I don't want to geek out. Because I'm so into DC. So I can say something cool. Look at my gun! It's the same thing as yours, but blue. It's a vent. Oh, wait, no.
Yeah.
It's the same thing as yours, but blue.
Oh. It's actually purple.
Guys,
Looks like.
don't kill the brimstone that's coming here. I'm gonna
I don't know
prank
how I
him.
got these frickin' scars. Does that sound like the Joker?
Guys, I'm about to prank this brim. Please don't kill him. Please do not kill him. I'm serious.
That was so pretty.
No.
Get out of my.
Oh, he's gonna get the kill.
He's a frickin' shotgun, so be careful. Good job, motherfricker.
Good job, Daddy.
Are you a frickin'
Hey,
woman?
lady. Hey, lady. You know I'm single.
I've actually been looking for a Valorant girlfriend
You
recently.
literally sound like the Joker, I swear. You're just not putting effort to it.
Is that hot to you? Do you find that
No,
attractive?
but it sounds awesome.
Wait.
Yeah, he actually voiced for the Joker, so he's really rich also.
He's old. You know how
Wow.
long that movie was?
Cutting through.
Boy, are you serious?
Will you be my Valorant girlfriend?
I'm into microwaves.
Well, guess what? I'm actually a frickin' microwave, so...
You don't sound like one.
Yes.
Beep, beep, beep. I told you.
How's
Are we
that
going
for
on
a
a
plan?
Valorant date to Breeze?
That would be very romantic.
Breeze.
Yeah.
Maybe Pearl.
Breeze.
I could
Nuts in
take
your
you to
mouth.
Pearl. I could take you to
Or maybe Pearl. I would love to... Oh my gosh.
Pearl.
Yeah,
Pearl's
now
a
he's trying to
stupid,
steal my
stupid
data.
open map.
I hate that frickin' map.
Like he changes his mind. Say it's a pretty map.
Will you please be my Valorant girlfriend? I'm not gonna ask one more time.
Sorry, I'm a 75-year-old man who likes to dress as anime girls for a hobby. But that never works
I'm-
with anyone else. I don't know why I just said.
I love old men. Very into them.
And you should take, lilpogchamp. It's a real low.
What did you say, Yoro?
I'm a woman.
Well, I'm not into frickin' women anymore, so... That was so, like, 2012.
It's a shame.
Enemy spotted mid.
Come on, DQREV.
You're going wacky.
Boy, you better give me a seizure.
Flawless.
Dang. Why do you have my skin on with my freaking diamond charm? Oh yeah, by the way, Mrs. E-Girl, that is my diamond charm, and I've actually been diamond in this game.
30 seconds left.
I'm like a bowl of chicken nuggets in this game. Oh.
Spike planted.
Meow meow. Like, I'm not... If you find the Joker actually hot, I could be your valorant
I don't
girlfriend.
find him hot.
Wow.
You find Batman hot?
I found Grayson hot.
Safety's off.
He's literally Grayson.
Who the frick is this
Right,
nerd
what?
named Grayson? I bet he looks
Dick
like a
Grayson.
freaking squirrel.
What, the first Robins?
I'm literally
Is it-
him.
And Jason's hot.
I'm Grayson and Jason.
You can't be both.
Last player standing.
No, don't go over there.
Yeah, action. I already went there. I died before you.
I'm literally him.